Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, November 9th. I'm at the Newark Airport on my way to Tel Aviv, and I wanted to get this out to you soon, so it's a little bit before our normal time. But let's take a look at what's going on in the NASDAQ. And while I'm pulling that up here, I also want to wish everyone who's going to be celebrating Diwali, which is a lot of people around the world, a wonderful Diwali holiday celebration. Well, the NASDAQ market, they're buying the break. I was looking for an update on Friday. We didn't get that kind of behavior, but I do look for follow through, but not so much on Monday. The structure here is bullish, but I look for more of a sideways day on Monday as the market absorbs what's going on. In the currencies, the dollar got stronger across the board, and I said just the opposite yesterday. I was looking for the dollar to actually get weaker, but we can see as capital flowed towards the U.S. dollar with this anticipation of a Fed rate change. I look for a quiet day on Monday. In the interest rate markets, I love the behavior. It's logical. I look for a relatively quiet day, small range for Monday. And in gold, I feel the same way. Continued downward pressure in this market. This is also a market that I'm looking for a quiet range. You know, these are good examples as you look at these markets of when something's supposed to be very, very bullish and it fails, it can be very bearish, and that's really what we're seeing here. It's what we talked about in the advanced video as well, and that's a structure. When I look at gold, that makes me think of that kind of behavior. But let's move on and let's take a look at crude oil. I look for downward pressure, about the same size of range on Friday, on Monday. And in soybeans. In this market, I look for a sideways to higher move. They're buying the break now. Let's see if we've gotten low enough to find some consistency and follow through. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful weekend. Looking forward to being with you next week. In the meantime, take care.